work, but your work is manage your mistakes and regular you have to enough confidence. You have enough confidence. I give you some tips how can enhance your confidence. The first thing is speak clearly and hello everyone, good morning all of you. So guys, in this video I am going to share with you how can enhance your confidence to speak English. Okay, so guys, if you're new on our YouTube channel, guys, please subscribe YouTube channel and don't forget press the bell icon if you're new on my YouTube channel. Okay, so guys, in this video I'm talk about how enhance confidence to speak English, to learn English. Okay guys, I want to know, please tell me, what is confidence? Confidence, guys, confidence not anything who you can why any soft. Confidence just a skill and I have to enhance, but how? So guys, tell me one thing. If you speak Hindi, if you speak in Hindi, you speak confidently. Okay, never get stuck when you speak in Hindi. And when you speak in English, otherwise when you speak any other languages, when you learn any other languages, you get stuck. Why? Because guys, your native language, whole day you speak, whole day you keep speaking. And when you talk when you talk to your sister, when you talk to your mother, when you talk to your brother, you speak your native language and whole day you keep speaking. That is why guys, you don't get stuck. And guys, if I'm talking who language you learning, like now you learning English, you feel like that I have no enough confidence to speak English. And while speaking, while talking in front of any person, you get stuck and you feel like that I have no enough confidence, and you search on YouTube how can enhance my confidence. So guys, in this video I am going to share with you how can enhance your confidence to speak English. So guys, please watch this video till the end. Okay, so first, if you want to enhance your confidence, first guys, you have to speak more and more. You have to practice more and more. This is the most important for learn English, for speak English, for improve yourself. Okay, the first things is you have to speak more and more, and regular you have to do practice. You will have to do practice if you want to enhance your confidence. Okay guys, the most reason is if, why you search on YouTube how can enhance my confidence, because guys, when you speak you fear if I spoke wrong any sentence, any word, any vocab, people laughing at me. These types you think, always you thinking these types. Always you think like if I spoke any word wrong, if I spoke any sentence, listen me and people will laughing at me. People will laugh at me. Guys, people work is laughing. Who is doing? But your work is, what is your work? Your work is manage your mistakes and regular practice, regular new learn and enhance your confidence. How enhance your confidence? Regular you have to practice and speak more and more. When you get free, when you get time free, okay, you have to practice and talk to yourself. Whatever you watch guys, imagine stories your mind in English. These types you have to work. People work laughing. That is why when you want to do new something, always people stop you. Okay, people work, but your work is manage your mistakes and regular you have to practice so that you make fluent speaker and you able to speak. And guys, don't speak again I have I have don't enough confidence. You have enough confidence, literally, guys. Okay, think you able to speak English. You able to speak English little bit, okay, and you understand English, but you can't speak. Now you can't speak. That is why you search how can enhance my confidence while speaking, while talking in front of any person. Okay, you have enough confidence, but you feel like that I don't have enough confidence. So guys, don't think about it. I don't have enough confidence. You have enough confidence, literally. You have, you know, enough confidence. Only you need to practice. You should daily 15 minutes practice, and more speak. Okay, so guys, now I will talking how can enhance your confidence. Some tips, step by steps, you have to listen. Okay, the first step is, if you want to enhance your confidence, like you guys, what happened our beginning days. I speak English. I can speak English, but not confidently, not confidently speak. It's a happen. If you speak English little bit, if you speak English but while speaking you get stuck, it's happen. Only you need to practice. Okay, you have to practice daily. So now I give you some tips how can enhance your confidence. Now, first thing is speak clearly and slowly. First, speak clearly and slowly. Your beginning days, guys, you have to speak slowly and clearly. This is the most important. Okay, and guys, the next things is learn phrases. Common phrases you have to learn. You have to learn common phrases, and you have to speak. When you get free time, you talk to yourself, learn new phrases, common phrases, and you have to speak yourself. Regular, you have, when you will do practice, learn new grammar, and you have to speak yourself, talk to yourself. Okay, so first thing is speak clearly and slowly, and the second thing is learn grammar. Instead of focusing on individual words, first you have to learn phrases and items, common items and phrases you have to learn. Okay, the second thing is, and guys, the third thing is join a conversation group. The third thing is join a conversation group. When you can practice, find any partner when you can practice and speaking with other learners. Okay, so three types you have to do work. First, speak clearly and slowly. Slowly speak but clearly. Okay, you try to speak clearly. Okay, and the second thing is learn phrases. Learn phrases, common phrases and idioms you have to learn. And the third thing is find any partner who are speaking English. Find any friend who are speaking English. You have to practice to him. You have to practice daily. Okay, and the fourth things is read aloud. Whenever you read any book, you have to read aloud. Okay, choose any book, any article, any passage, any stories, whatever you interested in. Okay, so you have to read books, but you have to read aloud if you enhance your confidence. Okay, so in this video I tell you 4 tips how can enhance your confidence. But remember one thing, you have enough confidence, but you feel like that I don't have enough confidence, and you have to search on YouTube how can enhance my confidence. You have already enough confidence. If you understand English, if you are able to speak English, you have enough confidence, but you need to practice. Only you need to guys practice. Regular talk to yourself. If you don't have any partner, you have to talk yourself. Okay, whenever you get free time, talk to yourself much. Okay, so guys, I will meet you next video. Okay, thank you, thanks for watching this video.